Now, this one, abasabal lagadi unknown angles again. I think I will be over lagadi unknown angles. Theta, x, a, b, alpha, b again. Mana in this question, abasabal laga the unknown, but the angle again. Now, they're saying if cos of 20 degrees equals to k. Now, where k is between 0 and 1, use the diagram to determine tan of 7. So we need the tan of 7 again. Now, question is over. Use diagram 2. So let's have a look. We're not to recognize. So okay, once one for a trig ratio or a legal laying, the only way is to use the diagram again. The best way. There are other ways, but the best way is to use the diagram again. Now, looking at this one, which now that's a cost of 20 degrees. 20 degrees well in which quadrant? First quadrant again. Now, once we will of the angle, obviously angle of the another quadrant that the diagram is in that quadrant again. So Mbujaring 20 is in first quadrant. Around the diagram is in first quadrant. Is that it? Or Mara ever ordinary the well Murray Avasarifa the angle. Or for the second condition. Never. So there are two conditions, it means you must be careful, you must check both of them again. Now about the angle, it means you know where the quadrant is again. So this one is in first quadrant. So let's go and draw our diagram. Y and X. Now 90 degrees here again. Now what is the angle? 20 degrees. The angle is given as 20 degrees again. It's fine. I mean, why you want to get? If theta is theta. Hey, the angle is also the trig ratio again. The angle is also or the trig function. So running cos theta. What is the angle? Theta. Cos beta, the angle is beta. Tan of alpha, the angle is alpha. But once I say sine of tan, the angle is tan. So the angle is on the trig function. Alright, now here, the cos of 20 degrees, our diagram is first quadrant. Okay, use a first quadrant now. You know what? You will see x and y and r. Come on, one pillar in terms of cos. One pillar between x, y, and r. One pillar. X and y. Two guy. Okay, one pillar x fair. Laying r and y. 1. Remember, I said the skill will be needed. Again, now whether I'm going to recommend the ratio of the two similar triangles. Again. Remember that. So that's why here, particular cos of 20 equals to k. K in terms of, remember, we're saying two ratio. When you say ratio, the number is divided again. So it's divided. K to divide one, so that it will remain k again. So that's why here people are saying now we know that cos equals to x over r again. So x k r guy 1. I must go and get what? Y. Why you come on? The Pythagoras here. Why is it Pythagoras? We have right angles. Good. Now we're going to say what? R squared equals to x squared plus. Now what is r? R guy? Yeah? R is what? 1 squared again. X guy? X guy? K. So we're going to say k squared plus y squared again. Y are we doing again? Question namanya kama? Y. So we're going to come on the value of y again. Alright, now what is 1 squared? 1. What is k squared? plus y squared. Now kinya kama y. Right? Of course now kena y squared again. So mara we're also doing y squared on the other side again. So k squared on the other side over here. So we're over 1 minus k squared equals to y squared again. Now mile what so you get your ginche square to? Dia square root y both side again. But when I get zero dia measure advance again. Because to mala both side you just write I the square root or the leg square root. The positive or negative of 1 minus k squared equals to y. Can you see that? Is that clear? It's fine. Now, what do we have here? What should be the value? Positive or negative? Positive y. In first quadrant, y is what? So we're going to have square root of 1 minus k squared equals to y. So what is the value of y? This is the same as square root of 1 minus k squared. Now, is my diagram complete? What should the angle go to? Come on. Don't you have 70 degrees. Now, my diagram is complete. Now, my side comes back and angle. Ungan bigam pala. Gawin sa kanya. O pala. Ukol no fill in all the sides and the angles. Pura rin ako siya mo again. Or maybe gawin niya ka change again. Eh ato chong niya ka change no wala. So it's fine. Now let's go and answer the question. The question niya kay the question is saying determine the tan of 70 degrees. Now tan of 70 degrees. Nah, relevant like what? Para diagram makna 70. Oh. Orang go ipi amo given 70. Again, what's the tan of that angle? Orang lagi dia, ipi amo moving an angle ani, okay? Nami dah lagi ipi amo, ipi lagi suara mah. Ya, kubar ni juga mah, kubar ni juga tan. So tan ore, definitely tan ore. Opposite over. Now, okay, sharp. Agak lembori mah 70. Opposite juga mah. Then I'm going to say opposite is k over adjacent digama. Adjacent digama. Yeah? Square root of 1 minus square root of Ufedi. What is the you answer the question? Can you see this things are simple? But when you found my Alright, mufeka shiri teyore ngoy kale yo. Lo somo kakana ge. Udo garo stand dia mwana. Uno ga sta a twe ba mwana wara. Yes. Pythagoras is 1 mark. And then you go to the answer there. I get? No, it's fine. But alright, what do we get here? Where is the 1 mark? 1 mark is for the conclusion. Selecting positive again. 1 mark, another mark is for complete diagram. Another mark is for the answer. The one again. That's how they will mark you. So why are they marking the diagram? Because if you got a diagram, everything is there. If your diagram is complete, then you can have answer. You can answer any question. Change which grade 10 is always straightforward. But when you get to grade 11, you are advanced. Yes. Hey, tell enjoy. Eh? If you put diagram here. No, you won't get the mark unless you use another method. If you don't use the diagram, there is another method. Then we're going to absolutely use the marks. But if you are in the form of diagram, and then you don't show the diagram, you will not get full marks. Yeah. So it means you must show me the diagram. One, if you are Bonche, if you don't show me the Pythagoras theorem, then you must go and show me. Agree? Like, diagram should take y. So if in the y you write that the value of y is 1 minus k squared, the root of 1 minus k squared, then it means you used Pythagoras theorem. I'm going to award you 1 again. Then for completing all the diagram in this quadrant, you get 1. Then now for writing the answer, you get 1. 1 again. Right, is there any question? Alright, now, if there are no questions, it means you can answer this one. Right, this one. Now, let's have the question. I want a question, again. So what should be the question here? The question, let's give you the question again. Let's say the question will say determine the following terms of P. What is the following? A, what can we have? Let's have sine 35 degrees. And then number B, let's have tan 35 degrees. And then what else? Number C, let's have sine 55 degrees. Number D, let's have the cos of 55 degrees. And then E, let's have the tan of 55 degrees. Right. Yeah, let's do just this once. Then I hope you will give me the correct answers again. So, right, let's answer this one quickly. Let's answer this question. I'm giving 5 minutes. I need to check if you understood the first one again. 5 minutes, then we exchange. Yes. Yeah? I think yeah? Okay. Now, hey, read the question. Hey, look at this one. They are saying determine the following in terms of P. Do you see P on the ABC? Then the answer must have P. That's why they say in terms of P. So if there's no P inside the expression, that is not the answer. Our in terms of pure answer also P one again. Yes, then go and write the answers. I'll give you now where trigger. Where will you go for Solo le diagram que se como no curso de una idea no como Because now if you're out to see something, which is if it happens only 5 times, I must repeat it 5 times. But if you put like one, can I was going to high? I'm trying to because I will try to delay nothing. When I over time I'm delaying it, no one is sending cause. But I want to what I say. Useless again. Now can you know about the present? This is a previous set again. You must take advantage. Learn as high as possible. Of course, not to be. And then I give it to you. When I was young, Bisha, oh, I'm a problem. Can I was have a guy who told a little bit of Jow to do a lot of anything about what? Who you live on guy? I want to get you to the lemon. Which why also to show the left room with the house. O tu shaka yin mutum. Wasan ju usal kushishi. Ulemelle ma kiure ufa mpozi ya wale. Wa kushishi ana. Uska itapa mfumu wa kutoka ntamsi. This life, you must understand that if I say something and you're going to ask your friend, he's going to say something else. I can't really exactly what I say. I have for me. So learn to grab the information for your own again. Yes, Mr. So that if you ask the another person, well already you have the information. Or a certain part. But that's what we no. I say I read this thing. Then you on your own you learn okay, now I know something. But if you present for me, I don't have a problem again. I don't have a problem. You pretend and you go and get zero. As if you did not attend. Like in having I. That's it. You waste time. And if you say time wasted will never be a thing. Okay? So you wasted time. When I go there, you will not coming here. So you must not waste your time again. Don't be shy. We can love you today, but you can become the best tomorrow. So if you put it, I want you to go and now you don't put zero an exam you don't just zero fail. What are now there's a video. So you don't have to pretend again. I say it's not a class already. Kirutela for it will make sense. If I will swan, say it to write swan. If I say it 5 times, then I will know that you need an attention. Then I will know what to expect and I will know what to do next. But I know everyone is with me. But you know different from what we just said. So I think I'm going to tell you phone or or in other words, when I was young, I was like Siena. What I can imagine in Chicago, Gavagile, Manaje, Gavagile, Bolo, when I'm going to send them. Apo na nang kilo pula get. Mana kibilo ay namo urku buje se nagis ba. Ukira ke samte. Lo ena wala exam. Terus smile. Awala teacher ga ru ruti. Wajia no to ya. That's why sometimes when I change or discover friend. January chocolate friend. But next year I'll celebrate. Like usually prepare beach all the days. Also naval joy. Asuro joy, we change. And Luena, it was the opportunity of Mutaro, Namulo, to come alive. So get when Namulo come alive. Don't pretend for me again. If you don't get something, say it. As in like pushability. You can explain the first attempt. Again. The other person on with I email so doesn't mean not give now on there. When I more than page, come more I mail then come over. So let's not just be shy for not understanding. It's good not to understand and say what you understand so that we can correct you. Apa ni kita kan ini kan kita alam pun orang halal kapuca mantua bereke. Muna kau macam boleh right. Baru boleh ki. Lunan tu beli. Rabo jaru cuci awa. Lukan lagi tu sah. Lukan mana tadi dia pelan. Kau tu boleh jadi wrong. Mau kaya orang lain. So let's speak. Vale, susah ini susah, kan? Yang rara, wala sarai kuida, yang feli, yang pilih yang feli. Mana chora ha wana trau tu wa trau tu wa. Rau chu she rau che ka kamalka. Wana nya mutu tu ka kamalka. Kuna go in the same sheet for ballet. And not problem. So don't be like that. Don't be like that. It's a problem. I show you something, you say no questions. Everything comes out. But I say do the same thing. You fail him to draw a diagram. Magoya sepira again? Yes, Mr. Magoya is sepira. So art study and come home. You also bushish. Remish. Don't worry about the next person. What are Remish are very simple so. Don't worry. What is simple? Lena, got other way. You challenge. Think for yourself again. Be selfish and think for yourself. Don't think about others when you are thinking again. The next person, what is Mama will tell you? Mama to play now. You don't do a slow lane or a poor lane because we respect the best lane. Why you bring? How are you bring colleagues to be? It was pressing. You walk like I'm going to remember sure. So please let's be on the same page. This time I cannot call for this time again. Time here the way I say this part of what you do second time. Not a guy. Now you waited to one key. What grade 11 can munchare, Hagulu, Creature can munchare, Agrebu can move. Especially I told them last year we had the same session again around this time of March. We had the same session. That's why some of them they are still good in this part because why is again? So you cannot see something once and get one. What's what in the middle of our way? What moment you repeat to end? And if you're supposed to return the weather yourself, you must go and do it time and time again. And about Oscar Yadilo, one put on 90 pages. My pages are very good today. Or better, Okra not of there. Take them and go and talk to your teacher. Make a rabbinic question in the just over my head. I'm going to okay. Somehow the way. I shall have for that. I don't want to do it. I was ready. The teacher will call you and try to assist you. Why our because governor was late again. What was late? Full responsibility to again. So everyone has something so we tell our agenda individual. But if you don't do like that, you have a problem. So that's why I'm pushing anywhere. That's why no, I'm just saying, don't let us pass where you don't understand. So that when we explain again, you said I don't understand. When you explain again, you write your own notes. I don't know from and it's a problem. We are going to look at the answers. And in the end, you have the question paper and the memo. But still, you can look at the question and look at the memo, but you still don't understand what they teach in the memo. Can you see you meet us there? So when you are present, you don't use us. What is your problem? Memo kuna baona question ya baona sheet. But you au kushuru really more what to the answer. Then nothing to the how say the really. When I will deal with it, you don't want to next time you want to look at my question and look at my answer. Because we will answer like this. Not will let you must take notes. Right? I said write in your own language. Okay? Don't care about the spelling, especially later on, after 2 days. if you are shopping, it's all available. Problem is, but then as well. Why what? Mara if you show one sell, you don't wanna show people here or people answer. You know, put your level or people who here. That's not the correct way. It's fine. Be yourself. Again? Be yourself. If I will be out of line. If you not crash it, don't get it. I don't know if you if you ever crash, don't mind that. What is the problem? Crash about one child. Don't worry. I can try you out. Mana, if you want to get that's what the problem. I want to go to mission. Don't worry about asking many questions. You when I be brave, go to show up again. I can have one brave. But because we magwala ka upe. Ya pone. Umo so jai men lara ai. Ya wana sumara nag again should be. And write your own again. And speaking of smart. Apa lagi kaji kasih pilih dengan sahabat. So when kalau aku mana pilih sahabat kamu kan kamu. Cepat lihat kan jam mental di SP. Orang kau tahu tahu cara orang SP jelas, lagi. Bos dia tu orang kau di mana kasih pilih. Next time kau level tu. So I want you to write your own notes. Now I'm saying, but when you must write it out of what I'm saying. Because semua lagi bukan apa, right? Kita cakap lagi, dia tu show kita lah ayo. Otherwise, you know boleh lah. So, please be motivated so that ordinary motivating you stops the lesson of mathematics again. So be motivated so that what is you kick in the mathematics, then we continue. Connect. Kalau kita ya pun sama dia. Tentu yang problema biru, memang mana kita mana rakam banget, bukan lagi. So let's be positive and be real. Don't worry about the next person. Ya Chaya, kurang you can do whatever you want. Nggak suka but you must be incentive and take the information. Again. So, that's when you can think about another person. But now, stop thinking about anyone. Think about yourself and be selfish. That I want to understand the content. Again? Yeah. If you don't do that, then whenever you don't love yourself. So love yourself and protect yourself. It's fine. Enough talking. Now let's get to the problem. But I'm just worried about those that they don't get it right and they're keeping quiet. It's very worrying. So I don't like that. It's fine. Now looking at that question. I'm repeating the steps again. Now the question in this case they say if cos 35 degrees is speed. The key is that what is the angle? What is the angle in that question? Or if you can mention the number, it means the angle is given. So if you are given the angle, then now it's exactly showing you the quadrant. Is that clear? Now in which quadrant is 35 degrees? Or if that is the first quadrant, then now in this problem, I don't need the ratio to determine what? Determine the quadrant. I need the angle. Is that clear? So if I don't have the angle, maybe the angle is beta, alpha, beta, A, B, and C. I don't know the angle. Then that's where I'll be struggling. Okay? Then that's where I need what? Two conditions. If you have one angle, or two conditions, now, this case I'm given the quadrant. So it means I'm in this quadrant with angle of 35 degrees. Then we agreed that we conclude here. Is that clear? Just knowing the angle. If you don't know the angle, they must give me conditions. Okay? The ratio and they will mention the word end. What are the end mode? What are the end mode? It means already you are given the contract. Okay? But if they bring you end, then it means now you must go yourself and search for the contract. Okay? Now it's fine. Kifeni only diagram here. Which one am I? Which one diagram should come? So this is one x, one y, one r. Nabi, we have to put them. Okay? Kinale mamu. Well, this thing is only p over 1. Again, you must always write that is fraction. Why fraction? Ratio is a fraction. Again, I must always identify that it's a fraction. Now, cos k over in terms of x, y, r, king x over. Can you see that? Or x over the manga movie. Or x p x over p. Again, namida arul bal bagay. Or ar ke bagay. Kifele. Iso jaga ma. Iso jaga. Agi ko mana wai. Ko mana jua. Why? Because of 90. Then I'm going to use my Pythagoras. Right, this is what? This is x, this is y, this is r. Then I'm going to go substitute down again. Right, r squared equals to x squared plus. Namile, what is my value of r? 1. X by p squared plus y by I don't know, that is y squared. Uno sa tanam mate baget wala pel don't le pel law mo sanji bengi squared 1 squared again. Namile, what is 1 squared? Equals to what is p squared? Plus y squared again. Kinya kamangin na orang usah menyagi, semua menyaga. Ini loh, mau asyik dia. Sorry, koja p squared. Agar kau siapa? Wah siapa gaya? Kawan orang situ p squared. Dia apa? Itu equal sign mana? Asal equal sign ni apa ini? Probably 1 minus equals to y1. Namile from there. Namile, I must square root both sides with a negative or so I will say plus minus the square root of 1 minus p squared again equals to what? Now in which quadrant I'm in? First, how is the value of y in this quadrant? Then we say therefore y equals to the positive of square root of 1 minus p squared. You cannot cancel that squared with an terms, okay? How many times I said this way? There are 2 again. The term is separate like a plus or minus again. No, there are 2 terms, then you cannot cancel that. Namina Nalama, y. What is the value of y? Square root of 1 minus p squared. Diagram guy feel it? What's your time? 55 degrees. That's why I want to show complete the diagram. Complete the diagram, all the angles, all the sides. Then now I can go and attempt the questions. Can you get that unique? Complete the diagram. If the diagram is complete, I guarantee you must give me all the correct answers. Now look at that one. In which quadrant am I? So it means all the answers must be right. Now sine of 35 degrees. What is the answer? 35 degrees. What is the answer? Now, sine, what is sine? Opposite over. What is opposite? In this case, y over r. Then you write. When I'm going to make a smile, I'm going to make a smile. Then I'm going to sorry, I get born again. When I'm going to do it, I'll be sure to be here. So, smile with other people. So now, square root of 1 minus p squared over. So this is the same as square root of 1 minus p squared. Please don't go and learn another method if you learn this one. Don't try to mix the methods. Learn one method, you conquer all. But if you try to mix the methods, one day it will go down again. One method, you conquer all. Right? Tan 35, over ini. Tan again, opposite over adjacent. That is the song. Soccer thrower. We must also write it again. Like this. You must also write it. Don't feel ashamed. Don't move over. Don't allow us to move over. Don't get out. Okay, let's come on about mass. One more about grade 7. So write that so that you can follow that. Right. Tan is what? Opposite over adjacent. Opposite command y over x. Again, what is y in this case? Square root of 1 minus p squared over what is x? P. Done. Just feel free, feel comfortable, and then analyze the problem again. Right now, here comes in sine 55. Do I have 55 in the diagram? Yes. I don't have complete the diagram. Okay, you guys can try that. So you must complete all the angles, all the sides. Then after completing that, now every question will be made. But if you miss out some information, you're going to get stuck again. Again, 55. Sure. Now, what is sine? Opposite over. What is the opposite of 55? Can you see that? P. What is the hypotenuse of 55? What is the answer? P. Can you see that? You must simplify. Right. Cos 55. And then angular modima, what is cos? Cos of an angle adjacent over. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay. What is the adjacent in this case of 55? The adjacent is this side of y. What? It means square root of 1 minus p squared over what is there? Hypotenuse 1. So the answer is what? Square root of 1 minus p squared. What's the rest again? They want to be stubborn. So, am I rude? Am I rude? I'm being friendly with you, okay? But when I'm supposed to do come on. So don't be afraid. I am a bit. So be open again. Being open will be assistant. Right? 1055. Alright, 10 again. Opposite over. Now what is the opposite of 55? P. What is the adjacent of 55? Equal to 1 minus p squared. Can you see the definition there? Yes, as long as the diagram is complete. But if you have the gaps in the diagrams, not all. I'm done. Any question? No. I want to Right now, we are moving on. We have 40 minutes left. We must try and squeeze. Now we're going to repeat the same thing. We want to repeat again. We need the basic information. You must know it. Now we're solving right angle by angle. What you do solving right angle? The side and non side angle. With the right angle, masai jawa satpan mo na angle jawa satpan jo. That is solving the right angle triangle. Is that clear? Right now, what we do here, it means everything was solved by right angle. One, taking right angle triangle. Take the trig ratios and one. Pythagoras theorem. Which is fair? You know na pala yung debate. You know na. Lalu kan kira 12 form mudisha. Lalu ni jual mudisha. Raga-raga jual mu. Aku siapa? Kali ni dia sendiri aku. Aku sendiri. As of glory. So there are only two techniques. When we work with right angle, trig ratios and Pythagoras theorem. Orang yang hana trig ratios itu saya kemana? Walaupun lagi, bapak lagi lebih baik. Kita two ways. Orang ini berarti ya right angle itu dekat tu, oke? Orang itu jual beli triangle oke? Dua ni nine sih, jual I berarti. Awal kita visual tidak berarti. Mana mana box sana, orang orang nine sih. Dan waktu ada awal, itu cuma itu dua lagi. Right, can you get the problem or the activity? They say in right angle triangle we can calculate all the remaining side lengths. Then now and then angle sizes if we know we can write the remaining angle. Okay? Now this one, please grade 11 and 12. Be careful because this one is a problem in our chapters. When you go on, let's remember sign we're not from the basics are here. You must keep quickly in mind that when you say right angle triangle, I know ratios or Pythagoras. Else, that's when you can apply the grade 11 and 12. Okay? So, but here we're always going to have only the grade 10, where we have only right angle triangle. If it's not right angle triangle, grade 10, please don't attempt to answer that. Just leave it, it's not yours. Right now, they're saying that the length of the two sides, or the size of an angle and the length of one side. Meaning that if I need to solve the side, that is the technique, okay? Normally, if I need to solve the side, condition number one, they can give me two sides. What do I use if I need two sides? Because Pythagoras is orang yang makan power baby, masai memang tu masai. If kamu masai sama baby, should be sama. Now, if you have one angle and one side, what do I use? Then, can you see that? Look at that. If you have now, if you say r squared equals to x squared, plus y squared, can you see that? It means if I know r, the hypotenuse, don't forget that r is hypotenuse, and then now we know the x, which is maybe the adjacent, the y, which is the opposite. What can I use? Pythagoras theorem. So now, if I have, look at this one, look at this problem. Sine of theta equals to, what do we have? Opposite over. Now in the diagram, Yeah? What is that? Oh, asoroval. Hypotenuse. I thought you were Robin. Omo dume la fela ke. Ujile A, ohochi A. Onyego ya A, onyego dula A. So they are always right now. Look at that. Now if they give me an angle, they can give me 30 or they give me 50. Now they give me one side maybe is opposite, which is y, and then the one they are putting. Can you see that? I can use that. Right, having an angle. Look at that. One angle and a side. What is the combination? Opposite to the conclusion. This one. Sides only. Can you see that? Right, if I have the sides only, I can work with what? Only if I have 90 degrees or right angle triangle. But if I have one side and one angle, trig ratio. After taking the mirror, problem so. Or I problem problem so no. Angle one side. Why what? Kunya kama kunya ratio. We don't know something like go mufika zibabara. You need another skill to check out the man. So, come from the side, I'm going to get the side. I'll show you that ratio. Right, that's why. But some way I will know what I am. What you want to profit our own again? A whole well, I am not going to give you. We were right. But okay, well, so I have love any. Whatever love around, but ish. There is a what about it? I was saying about moving. So, I was also so to then I want what is the approach again? Looking at the problem. So, what will be your role? Yeah. On the level of problem, there are much more so it's a ratio. Why would the ratio? Or are I so that one? Yeah, why one? Quickly agree. Or don't to as I get I bring to level and you. I may move you. Or you have a may move you, or the other. Much to a lawyer. I don't know. Maluiana, Ufamaluicam, Ufamaluicam, probably Roy one will level Lamont. So, Ufakumalo level so. Why level I was going to say, no problem. I was very significant and also the one, and also what's the one? Don't live I get. Alright, now let's go to the activity. I said enough, let's go to the activity. I hope everyone almost there will go over answer to make it. I'll just speak quick, and then if you are say it, and then so that we will repeat. Because I need to get to the graphs. Because the graphs are, after I need to finish with the grade 10 today, so that you have the start. Again, once you have the start, when you get when the school opens, you already know where to start. Or during the holidays, you will be studying information again, because you will do that in the next year, and that is really a lot of months again. So you must do it. Right now, in triangle PQR, Q is 90 degrees, and it's there. Look again. Right. Angle R, is it angle? Yes. Angle R is 42. I wonder what is it? Please. That's why I said read the instruction at the top and see the diagram. Okay? That's why. What angle R guy? What are the guy? 42 degrees. Can you see that? You must do that. Remember, in the examination, I will give you meaning that you must draw your diagram. Redraw the diagram and fill in the letters. And feel free to write whatever you want. Right now, level of your side PR. Remember the two letters they brought together. Everybody have to count shows the sides. Side PR. What is PR? I put a news 22 units. You know what is PR? N. That's why it's just a unit. I get. Look at that one. That is the given information. Why? Ushota mambo. Level ushota ma. Ushota angle P. What are you expecting? Question gamma angle P. Why? Yeah. Then what are you to next? You should answer. Ushota ma. The side PQ. Ushota mambo QR. QR. What you expect QR is that? Alright, now let's go on. One billion on the information. One billion, in terms of the side and the angle. One billion side and angle. Over come more. Over come by the of trig or trig ratios. Over. You do it you I want. I'm going to do one. If I'm not on one billion was always you go for angle and side. You go by again. Trig ratio. Very uno level mana sai dei Bukan angle triangle. Aku kayak apa kalau sini na. Bukan sini na jual di cuma. Aku tahu dia masih. Tapi aku nak buat dia mampu sini. Right now, usia tu buat sini aja. Bukan kayak ini. Then now you must go and write what? Aku berkata tu usia tu malah ini mau di usia tu malah ini. So kacau ya, what? Ah, you see how lawyer you are. So like that, I get soccer, the first one side, cos and tan. Mogi A, mogi H. Mami no situ tu dola, ini kita Alright now, kerawan na mo grade 11 and 12. Ora ko ba na doing the right angle triangle. Ora so kachua we debate. Why when I can so go to explaining. Then we do arrange the man, so side rule and side rule. Then we go on. When I can. So right angle triangle, so kachua. Right now, it's fine. I will calculate correct two decimal places. Ora the answer just will be form again. Alright, now they say the length of QR. What is QR? Now let's go back. Barfilema 42. What is the side QR in terms of 42? Adjacent, opposite? King? Apa do you want? Adjacent. Okay, man. Opposite. Okay, man. You are putting the large. Remember based on what is given. Okay, sir. Here is what the opposite adjacent. Right. Okay, now they want the length of what? QR. QR come on. Adjacent. Okay, sharp. Kinale adjacent. Okay, omo come on kinale. Pampilema. Between this three, adjacent to the positions. Cause one give you what can adjacent can adjacent to Munyaga. I produce the man, Pampile, or nay, but so many cause Abamba angle on Pampile angle on. All right, go to the cause of that angle that is given. Again, we're going the cos 42 degrees again equals to what like adjacent QR over I put this I don't want P R. One month. Namely up P R. So to save time, we're not about what I'm going P R. We do be substitute again. I grow and I'm going to school. So must write. What am I P R guy? 22. Namire, what's up to this all? What is left? And different. You must know you are different. Okay. You know how to substitute. After substitution, you should somehow be a man. So karma ka okay? Apa mo usale trig mo? Ah, wa mo ba se trigonometry. This is trigonometry lu fe di. Question number 1. There you need x 10, x 11, x 12. You must solve for QR. Make QR something to boom. Right? I'm giving you my technique. Whenever you have yours, if you have yours, you have again. Don't change it again. Kinya kama mo. Kinya QR again. Okay. Ukinyumereisha kia musiba. Aje mutilie kwa nama. Ushala manga mo denominator. Okay, kama kulia. What divide don't multiply. What divide? Ina sonja ulia. Ushala equal sign. Asla equal sign ulia ngaya. Usanja achenche nenchela ya divide. Divide opposite divide ko guys. Then we multiply. So that already gets okay now. QR ushala letri again. Na mile kama 22 ulia. O multiply 22 multiply by another way if I'm giving you a simple technique again. Don't say we multiply of course the correct way they say we multiply both sides by 22 is fine, but I need something that you will get to the answer quick and then you must not make mistake again. Namilo mo berga ini Muchi. Aus na muchi ni hindi bagi. Aur rasa na answer. Are QR ke bagai? QR ke bagai? Now they said we must convert to asba ngala 2 decimal place. Asba ngala, but that is the standard form again. Bang ngadi. Oh, correct 2 decimal place. Are 60 comma? Di balik kamu nggak pilih, kau pun orang lama. 3, 4. Check out mak. Hari ngale so, 16, 3, 4, 9 what? And blah blah blah. Okay? Namiri. Kenya kau malam kai 2 decimal place, again. Place is pedida. I'll write it here. Then I'll say now. Are 2 decimal place? Level after comma. Already after before comma is the same. 16 comma. Namile about 2 after comma to the number 2. Namile about to play. Iba bagai 3. Again. Mara itu kena ngolah ube di face. Ngolah ube di face. Atu no muat. Because ada orang. Because utusha na orang. Itu nomor di suara di jolapet. Utusha orang. Okay, now when I number 3 here, when I'm I got lima 5. Usama ka 5. Ika cuma ka 5 ya ulim. Oro son jam kawan. Ada wanu lima, again. So rari, uka lima a 5. Usama ka 5 ya ulim. So okay, 9. Ika ba 4. We are passing. I just copy the second number. Maraka ka lima 5. Usama ka 5 ya ulim. Ora am acap one number 2. Kita cakap one. Ura musuh jibe bagai 3. Ura kita cakap foka bagai kawan dia bagai 5 equals to up the QR equals to 16,35 units. Any question? Owner reject nya gue private. Kita kawin learn and enjoy the music. Okay? Right. 1.2. The length of are mungwal. Kumane mang QR. QR kumane bagai 16,35. Apa antara itu boleh korek. Mana? Korek. Mana sih korek kok jalan berapa bisa? Right now, the length of PQ. What is PQ? Sure. Which mono choose mas kesi. What for me? Teknik kemana mak? Teknik kemana mak? Teknik kemana mak? Pai tak harus tiru mau beri. Secretion semua kesa gua. Why kesa? Kenal masa itu sama beri. Kyo lo nggak kemana orang kayak ini? Pai tak orang. Or ageng kalau dia karuas kamu kona. Apa yang susah? Kibri orang dia karuas kamu kona. Gue juga konya ka opposite. This way man hypotenuse le angle. The answers must be the same. So if you come back, we don't do what I do. Aí o dia punya kan, mana kami berpikir, kami berikan, kamu punya kan lewat, mana kita lagi, kamu punya kan mana kami berpikir, git ratio or Pythagoras theorem. So right, usually the shortest cut. Kif ya kapela? Di kapel? It's fine. Pythagoras theorem: r squared equals to x squared plus. What is r? 22 squared equals to what is x? 16 comma. Omo idea ga ratios kapela. Check it, get the same answer again. Squared plus y squared. Opposite kana in this case I'll do plus y again. Right now, what is 22 squared? 22 squared is what? 1. 22 squared. 484. What is 16,35 squared? 2. 267, you want to come over? 3, 2, 2. I get a final answer. Write all of them. Plus y squared. I get. Namile, Richiago, are 484 minus across 2. 267, 325. Where are after Godian was subtracted. So subtract the array. Be answer subtract the bukan. Kita kaya itu subtract 216, 775 6775 equals to y squared. I mean y equals to plus minus the square root of 216,76775 equals to how much? Press your machine. Give me 14,7,2. I mean, of course, we want the magnitude. We are not in the Cartesian plane. Again, you must conclude that. Therefore, y equals to 14,72. What is this one? 17,72. What's the question anyway? 14. Yeah? 14, 72. What is it? Oh, 70, 40. Or 14, sorry for that, like that. I get 17, I don't want to comma, 72. I mean, the question didn't know what is the angle with P? What is the value of angle P? What is the value of angle P? 48. So that when we add to 42, we forget 90. Why when I get the zero bushes got that as I get 48 degrees. Because when you're not some right, you know the sum angle of a triangle are supplementary age up to 180. I think I've said enough. I'm going to you were supposed to answer the next activity, but time. I'm going to skip that. It's very simple. You'll do it. You must do this activity again. You must do that on your own. And the third activity. Now the third activity on your angle again. Let's feel that I'll be quick. I'll be quick on this one. We know how to find the size again. Now let's get the angle now. In the right angle triangle, angle M is 90, LM is 12. What is LM? Is 12 here again. And then 12 centimeter. MN is what? Is what? MN is 36. Can you see that? Remember, sine of a theta is giving me equals to the two sides. Okay? Sine of a theta is equals to the fraction of two sides. Is that correct? Cos of theta is equals to the fraction of the ratio of two sides. Is that correct? Yes. X and Y, XR yx king inside, okay? So now it means if I want the side, the angle, I must have what? Two sides. So you can get the angle without having two sides. The other part, if I have a right angle triangle and I have two sides, then what is the next question? They might know. What is the angle? I can get the angle. I get the third side that is Pythagoras. But still, the technique is a Pythagoras or trig ratio. I see a change. Right? The size of angle L, one angle, one angle. And the size of angle N, no problem. Okay, right. Level L. Angle, agi mo di ma angle N. Kimang original na. Ukimango opposite. Kimang wala opposite adjacent. Don't forget. Can you see the answers? Apo three you have the answers. Mara people abanyigi ushusha the answers. Mutono level la. Answer. So Kachua is the answer. Cast diagram is the answer. Right? Level L. Kimo L. Kinalaman. What is this one? Opposite. Okay, man. Kimo wala opposite adjacent mo. Opposite adjacent. Sorry, child. What is what? I'm going to say tan of L equals to opposite way, come on. 36 over, what is adjacent? 12. Like all of you have the answers. Also, Naso Kachua, diagram. I have you missed something, and that's why you teach. If you miss something, you must go and grab that. Again? Now, what is the question? I'm looking for the angle. Now, as I got the angle, I will take this tan to be the second function, the inverse of that, but we call it the second function. Don't say the inverse. The second function. Then I'll say, okay, angle L equals to tan negative 1 of 36 over 12. What is negative 1? We say shift. You press shift, you press what? The function is tan. And you press the fraction, which is 36 over 12. What do you get? 71, 57 what? 571? 565, of course, the two decimal place. What are you about, guy? 57 what? Yes, you must say that. Degrees. I'm going to know that straight you don't know degrees. Because we were talking of angle. When you say angle is measured in degrees, okay? So if you just say 70, what is that? What is that? Maybe give mass worker, or one leg. So we must write the SI unit, right? I'm passing through. Now you know how to find the angle, you know how to find the other side, okay? That's how to find the angle. Is that difficult? Technique, or you will never find the angle using Pythagoras theorem. Is it possible? Alright, the technique of finding the angle is what? Trig ratios. Angles, trig ratios. But sine, or two ways. Angles, one way. Why what? You must write it down. When you need to find the angle, only one technique, you can only use trig ratios. Done. When you want to find the sides, it's either Pythagoras theorem or trig ratios. What do you find the angle of Pythagoras theorem? Alright, I'm done here. Let's go and check the other part. You see this activity? I'm not going to do it. Let me see if there's another one. The other one after this one. Yeah, I like these activities. You see this one? I'm not going. I'm going to show you how to. But I'm giving you the technique. I'm not going to solve for it. the end, okay? Because now they are saying weight. From weight, you must do what? You must do the diagram, okay? This I can teach you grade 9. But here is in grade 10, you must do that. Right now, can we read together? And then now get the information to the diagram. And then from the diagram, you get the question, then you are done. The angle of elevation from B to the top of the flagpole AD. Oh, they're saying this is a pole. Can you see that? And it means A, B to D is a flag. Flag like this one. The flag, okay? Right, this is a pole of a flag. Now, they say angle of elevation. This is the angle of elevation. Can you see that? Yeah? The angle showing from the base to the increasing part. Right. Now, they're saying that angle is 58 degrees. Now, an observer walks 10 meters from B to C. Observer given for I maybe see papa, okay? We over B. Umo mapelo to play. Usipila waya to the pole. Apa sipila moya to the pole, okay? Mara, after to the pole, ufita at C. But all the way the distance from here to here. About to the pole, what? Or kamaya, if you have way, if you maro kamaya, is it way come? Oh, that's it. Is that clear? Now, they are saying, and find the angle of elevation of A to B to A to B. What can say more 73 about 63? When I get, they are saying this angle of elevation is 63. Let the height of the flagpole be h. See what the height, right? And then now this h meters, and the distance between the flagpole and the second point of the observation point is d. But or the distance here. Can you see that? Is how much? Is d. Up at d, but the baby. I'm going for when I get. It's d meters. I'll check something. D is in meters, h is in meters, that 10 b to c is in meters. Now, another thing, you must make sure that all your distances or your measurements are in the same unit. Okay? Over here, centimeter, even the meters, you must convert to one unit. Are we looking different units? Yeah? What? Yeah? Maybe one diagram. That's very centimeter, I must have 1 kilometer. If it's centimeter, centimeter. If it's millimeter. Whatever to man as a condom, the question is what put your meters from one. So that it's a jolly again. Now it's missing. Apa is missing? Okay, millimeters, centimeters, missing. Kilometers to meters, missing again. Wewe usema miziki video wakati maana technique boring uskaipona wala kai diagram hiyo ina centimeters kwa sababu kama zile hoye unataka chawa haya wewe hauna kitu sana au peja wewe ma so we don't work like that again. So we must have common things so that you can mix the juice and the water so that we can have a common solution again. Hey, but we are the homogeneous and the heterogeneous again. Yes. Right now, look at the first question. We exhausted the information. Before that, there is a certain skill I want you to learn. This skill is your trade. Look at the ritual to your trade. You must learn this skill again. Learn this skill. Now, look at this one. What is the distance BD? What is the distance BD? What is the BD? Yeah? Yeah? 10? 10 plus? Good. You're with me again? Now, what is happening here? What is 10? 10 again? BC plus, what is D guys? Look at that. Can you see that in a one line? I can have a whole distance being divided into 2. Can you see that again? Now, look at here. Now, that is BD. So that the BD is whole of this. Now, what is distance? What is CD? What is CD? CD in terms of the letters. You look at CD, level CD, CD go again. You look at eh? You look at B, C and what? BD. Ko BD go mo again. So minus umunya ni CD. Can you look at that? So meaning that level or what is CD? Minus BC, not this one again. Good. Now you are with me. What is CD on the diagram? D equals to what is PD? 10 plus D. What is minus? This is what? D. Where when I get? Yeah? Is it correct? This is right? 10. You get what I'm doing here? So you must know that. Okay, now having BD as a big length. If it's divided into 2 of BC and BD, I can write that CD equals to BD minus the big length again, which is this one. So now if you get BC, BD minus what? If you get BC, BD minus CD. You must know this skill. We are going to suffer to get that skill in animation. Learn it now. It makes sense. What does that mean? B from B all the way from B to D. B C plus CD. What CD is what? Is the whole of BD minus BC. Agree nyagao? What kinyagao? What sanjiki minus ema? Sanjiki chiyo muholo minus this part. Do you get that? Yes. Then now, if kinyaga BC, sanjiki chiye the whole BD minus ema CD. Then this word is written here. Please write this skill. It's very, very important. It's going to be needed in the image again. You must know that. Alright, now fine, we have that. Now they're saying express H in terms of D and the ratio 63. Go ahead. Express Wala Wala H. Kamu jawale D and 63. Qu'est-ce qu'on moi again? Wala H. Kamu ko abelingi D and 63. Ora your answer there. Ora wena umuape. Why when again? Ora musonji be guy 90. Why when again? They forgot to say that it's supposed to be 90. Namile, you're going to work here. Ora move. You're going to rara and get to the correct answer. When I get, but answer yao H is on Jabelini, Kara no one 63. Axor 63 over sine 63 over cos 63 over tan 63. Again, you work in that. Express H in terms of D and the ratio 58. Up for guide. Up 63 guy, Ugara triangle ACD. What are we triangle? 58 Ugara triangle AP. Triangle BAD. What is our triangle BAC? What is a triangle ABAC? What is a why? I'm saying angle 58. Ukara triangle BAD. What is a ukara triangle? Agree? If you have a ukara triangle BAC, what is a man? Yeah? What the correct answer? What is a Oshumisha 58 ukara triangle ya BCA? Why? Why? The answer is the basic. Why is a value 58 ukara triangle BAD and BAC? Why is a value kamu? Yes. Aina is triangle BAC is not right angle triangle. Can you get the basics? That's why we work with right angles. So now BAC is it the right angle triangle? Or let's go Shumisha triangle ABC. Why? Because it's not right angle triangle. You qualify a man, grade 11 and 12. When now you are in grade 10. Right now, if you are in grade 11 and 12, you don't need to mix up things and give yourself difficult job. Just look at a right angle triangle. If it's there, use it. Like what I get. Because gravity pro, you go get then LA. Go show you. Kiafeta move. We have answered that. Our time is almost elapsed. Right, let's check what we have after the triangles. Here's another one. You are going to also answer it. You have it, I guess? Yes. I hope that must come. Yes, yes. Hey, we still have a long chain. Right, tricky questions. Actually, let's complete with the tricky questions. Now, look at that. In grade 10, again. This is in grade 10. They are saying solve the simple trigonometric equations for angles between 0 degrees and 90. 0 degrees and 90 degrees. First quadrant, again. All our answers are only going to be considered in first quadrant. So, in other grades, of course, we consider other quadrant, but in here, it's only first quadrant. What is the question, in fact? Determine the angle alpha. Can you get the question? Determine the angle alpha. If the expression is in what? In first quadrant. Is that clear? First quadrant, of course, I don't have nothing much. Creation is simple. Can you see that? Yes. How to find the angle? You know that we're going to have what? Level A. What are you buying more? 2 then alpha equals to what? Remember, you must sign of an angle. Again. So now, what is sin alpha? Equals to? We did that. Can you see you are repeating? Okay, now what's going to repeat and repeat. Now, what is the question required? Alpha. So alpha equals to now, I want to do it this way. Whenever you remove the trig function or the trig ratio, what you get? You are going to get the reference angle. Is that clear? So meaning that if you say the second function of sine equal of what? 1 over 2. What is the answer here? Is let's do that. It means the reference angle equals to. The answer is the reference angle. What is the reference angle? The reference angle is any acute angle that we are going to use to get into the other quadrant, okay? For other grades. But just know that the reference angle is always between 0 and 90 degrees, always in this quadrant. Is that clear? Now, what is our reference angle? What is our reference angle? So, if you press, what do you get? 30 decrease. Now, therefore, our alpha equals to 30 decrease because already our alpha is in this quadrant. Is that correct? Now let's look at this one. This one is the same, I get. Oh, it's not the same. Also, so value 2 sine of alpha equals to 3. Now, sine alpha equals to 3 over that's the line equals to 150. Divide both sides by that. Now, do that. Reference angle equals to alpha equals to what is the answer? What is the answer? No solution. Good. Now, what is this answer number in terms of decimals? What is 3 over 2 is 1 comma 1,5. What do we get at the reference angle? No solution. Now we come to conclusion that the maximum of sine is always 1. Yes? The maximum number, here I substitute in terms of getting the angle is always 1. Take a 1. I said this is 2. Yeah. Then I'm giving you another hint that if you have the number that is less than -1, it's also not valid for sine and cos. If you say the sine of -3 over 2, the answer will also be m. Can you try that? So meaning that we are entitled or to a little 1 and -1, sine and cos. Is that clear? I'm saying sine of theta. Okay? Now, if the sine of theta in that case, meaning that is equals to, the number that is here, let's say is equals to k. Now, it means k is always between -1 and 1. Yeah? It means whatever it represents a ratio is it felt like a 1. Kamu felt like a -1. Ukabona if it's a 1 is error. Ukabona if it's a -1 comma is an error. So really, what is this one? Look at this one. What is this one? Is our minimum. What is this one? Is our maximum. So that's why here there is what? We're running the 50 limit. I think the limit in terms of size. The limit in terms of cost. Mara, in terms of time, that is not the case. Try one up here. No, require gas and cost again. Or the ratio. In fact, what is this ratio? Let's. What type of ratio is this? Or what type of fraction is that? Proper or improper? Improper. Meaning that for every sine and cos, the ratio or the fraction must always be proper. So meaning that the angle does not exist. Good. Right now, let's get this one. We're going to what? 3 theta is also the reference angle. Now, I said the reference angle comes whenever you take out the sine, cos, and tan to be the second function. I don't care what angle is that. As long as I'm removing that to be left with that angle, then it's what? Reference angle. Is that clear? So meaning the reference angle here, over the sine, second function of sine, sorry for that, into 0,157. What do you get? 0, yeah? 0,175. 9,0,3 degrees. I get. But what is our theta? Question is 3 theta. 3 theta equals to the reference. Now, reference angle is not sure with the other trig. In trig terms, just know that reference angle. Now, when you can do say 3 theta equals to 9,03 degrees. Now, the question is for theta equals to, we divide both sides by 3. 9,03 degrees divided by 3. What is the answer? 3,01 degrees. That will be the theta. Now, look at that. In other problems, they will say if 3 theta is an element of 0 degrees to 90 degrees like that. What does it mean? It means the answer is only in first quadrant. Why are they saying 3 theta? They are saying the sine of that angle. Remember, we don't have the sine without an angle. The angle there is 3 times the theta. I don't care what is it, but once we are going to remove the sine, the cos to the second function. What is there is the reference angle. Again, the last one. The rest, we now worry about those questions. Again, now I'm doing this as the last. We now worry about those questions. Questions are supplementary questions. Solve for the x, solve for value of theta, solve for value of alpha, then even that position. Okay? Now here, what do? We have cos into x plus degrees equals to 0,5 degrees. Okay, guys, well, let's start. I'm going to compound again. It's not it's not make sure. So that will start again. Wait, as much as possible. Okay. So now, of course, here we don't see the reduction number, but what is the question required? The question is requiring to get what? The x. Now, if we need to get the x, already I know that I must have the cos of angle equals to ratio. Already I have that situation. If I have that situation, then I must conclude. How do I conclude? Now I'll say the reference angle, because I need to remove the cos. What are you buying it? X plus 60 degrees equals to the second function of cos of 0,5. Now x plus 60 degrees equals to, what is the reference angle? Keep going. 60 degrees. It means my reference angle is, if it happens in grade 7 level, I need to get into other quadrant. I will say that quadrant, we're going x plus 6 equals to the junction number, then reference angle. Okay? Now, because in this grade, the answer is always in this quadrant between 0 and 90 degrees. Here's what our x is an element of 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Sorry for that, must be included. So meaning that it's only this quadrant. So in this quadrant it's already the reference angle. What I must do, I must solve for x. So x equals to 60 degrees, and it's 60 minus 60. So what is the value of x? 0 degrees. And you solve your equation. So right in grade 10, always our functions are positive. Can you see that? So, but in grade 11, we have different situation where now we go all around the quadrants again. And then I think we'll stop here. Now there are questions here. You must answer these questions again. Solve for these questions. Can you see the sec is there? But I don't want to entertain it too much because can you see it's not dominating, okay? So, but grade 10, you must go learn the chord, the sec, and the cosec. They are there in your textbook, okay? And then another problem here, you must answer this one again. Another problem here, you must answer this one. They are simple, okay? From there. We are left with what? Graphs. So tomorrow we'll start from the graphs again and then continue from there.